I can just work on my power. I mean, when I'm kicking and I'm punching, I want those to hurt my opponent. Swaddy Cup, I'm the Legend of Israel, and today we're going to review the 7-foot Fairtex Pole Bag, so stay tuned. All right, so what we have here is the Fairtex 7-foot Pole Bag. Now, this is all just me. This is my review, my opinion of this bag, okay? One, I did not expect that this bag would take forever to fill, like seriously. A lot of people have their own techniques or their own materials that they, fill a bag with, but with this bag, it's made so that way you can insert a pole inside, okay? This bag supposedly can hold up to 300 pounds, okay, of weight. I'm more of a hanging bag kind of individual. I like my bags to hang on a stand. I don't go through a chain through the ceiling, and I don't have a pole to put inside the bag, right? So I had to cut the insert. The insert at the very top allows for the pole to go in, but like I said, I don't have one, so I cut the insert and pretty much just let it drop and then just filled it full to close. I know a lot of people prefer to shred fabrics, throw it in there, even throw in some sand, some foam even. For me, I just fill it full of clothes. It took a while to fill this baby up. And I mean a while. You could go through your entire house and find all the clothes that you don't wear, or that your kids, in my example, don't wear and don't fit them anymore, and throw them in there, and it still won't be enough. You have to get online and start asking friends and family for clothes that they don't wear and throw it in here. It took a while for me to fill this thing up. Also, if you can see, I also have a tire, a tractor tire. And the reason for that is because even with my kicks and my punches, and even though it's filled to the brim, I can still kick this bag to where it scoots back. I pull it to the side, and I don't really want the bag to do that. I want it to stay stationary. One of the big things about why I purchased this bag is because I want a real big, fat, heavy bag that I can just work on my power. I mean, when I'm kicking and I'm punching, I want those to hurt my opponent. I need something like this. I want something like this. I can get a really, 80-pound bag that's hanging, but I also have to work on my rhythm and work on my footwork, dance around a bit, and I really just want to focus on my power. I know that this bag won't be just my main bag. I still like the bags that rock back and forth, the 60, 80-pound bags. I do like to dance around. I do like to work on footwork, but when I really want to work on power, this is it. This is the bag right here. So this bag, it's not cheap price-wise, so it's pretty expensive. And would I purchase it again? Yes, definitely. I would, if I had room in the gym, I would buy at least 3 or 4 of these, and that way I can have my students work on power. So, just to give a little demonstration, go ahead and strike it. If anyone were to ask me, should I go ahead and invest in this bag? Yeah, definitely. This bag will not only serve its purpose, but it will be a good investment for your gym or for your home. And also, the surface of it, I mean, it's dope. It does have a seam line right here. It goes all the way down. yet it's no problem. I could kick this and not feel the lip at all. It's fantastic. I would recommend when you do train on this bag, use gloves. You can hand wrap your fists, but I almost feel like it will indent on this fabric here, which is a synthetic leather. To me, it does feel a little thin. With gloves, you're fine. Go for one of these bags if you're looking to focus on losing weight, because you have to put more effort into it, you know? More effort. Become a monster. Go beast mode on this thing. That's what it's for. And again, get yourself a tractor tire to hold it in there, you know what I'm saying? If there was a scale on, 1 out of 10, I'd give it a 10 for sure. I'd buy it again. I'd buy 3 or 4 for the gym. It's pretty tight. Anyways, so that's my review. Hope it helps somebody out there make a decision on whether you have been considering to purchase one of these, or maybe you just seen it today. And you're like, I kind of want to go beast mode on a bag. It is 7 feet tall, so make sure your ceiling is a bit taller than 7 foot, or else you can't hang this thing, seriously. And I'd like to say thank you for all our viewers and our new subscribers out there. Thank you so much for tuning in. I got more product reviews coming around. They all promote fitness. I use them so I can get better at my Muay Thai, and I just want to share some knowledge with you guys from the product. So anyways, like and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it so much. I really do. And as always, kap.